So today I'm going to show you how to make mascarpone cheese at home. And you may wonder, why do I want to do that? I can easily get a tub of it from the store. And yes, you can, but there are pros and cons just like everything in life. For instance, take a look at the ingredients for our homemade mascarpone cheese. Yeah, that's it. Lemon and cream. What you need, or what's in your tub, is this. Now, at first glance, it may look like a bunch of chemicals, but then again, if you look at the chemical composition of, let's say, an apple, well, that also would have a bunch of stuff that you don't recognize. So let's focus on the things that might actually have an effect on your digestion, let's say. So lactose, of course, people who are lactose intolerant, let's ignore that, right? That's fructose, sugar, people may get affected by that. Fine. But our focus right now are on the emulsifiers, specifically guar gum, carrageenan, and maltodextrin that are kind of known to cause digestive problems. And if you're somebody who loves mascarpone and wants to incorporate that in their diet, and you're gonna have lots and lots of it, then you might get some of these effects. A study that I saw recently just shows the different effects of having emulsifiers in your diet in the bacterial density inside your body that contribute to some of these effects. So check that out. It's linked down below. Enough with the food, chemical, biology, whatever lesson. Let's see how to make it at home, because it is the best mascarpone I ever had. And by the way, one tub of this at the store is about double the price of making it at home. Let's continue. So we are starting by adding all of our heavy cream into a saucepan, which we will then bring up to a gentle simmer. The temperature we're looking for is just hovering around 180 Fahrenheit. And once your cream is steaming just like this, then you can add in your lemon juice. This is very similar to making ricotta or paneer, where you split milk with acid, just like lemon juice. Now you want to cook the cream and basically heat the cream with the lemon juice for about 2 to 3 more minutes as you stir a little bit, and then you can just take that all off and then run it through your cheesecloth. Now something that I didn't do initially, which I went back and corrected, is to have some sort of elevation between the cheesecloth and the actual bottom of the bowl, because we don't want the excess moisture, the water in the mascarpone and the cream that's going to separate, to be part of our actual cheese. The actual cheese would be very thick, almost like whipped butter. That should be that thick, or like creamy mashed potatoes. Then just cover it and leave it in the fridge for at least 12 hours. I went for 24 hours. And after that, take it out and take a good look at how good that scoop looks. That's the consistency that was just amazing when I had it. Now, while I'm a big fan of having ricotta toast, this was incredible with toast with some freshly sliced tomatoes, and it's just a heavier kind of alternative to ricotta mascarpone, I believe, because it's made from cream and not milk, but it's just so tasty, and I think that's why it's so tasty. And next I'm gonna make the most amazing lemon mascarpone crepes with this fresh batch. So stay tuned, that's coming soon, and have fun making cheese at home. It's really that easy.